Follow me. That's good. Run, can't follow me. Right, so we're going to slide these nuts up. Wherever the green line is, there it is. So the green line is going to be the middle of our square washer, because the square washer is, oh, cool, there we are. The little square washer, I'll show you the square washer in the middle in a minute. In the middle. So all we've done at the minute, we have in a minute. We'll get this first bit in, and then we'll relocate. So our square washer, we'll just adjust this, bring it down. The cable's in our way. The bloody HVAC pipes are right in the way. Pain in the backside. That's the level. Oh, just a little touch. Lovely. So we'll bolt that in, and we'll bolt that in. Let's bolt it this side here. Oh, you can see that. So these studs don't need a lot cut off. So there we are. So now we can get that bit tray up. All right, don't worry about that, because we've got somebody more suitably qualified coming. The HVAC guys are coming to take care of this. So we don't know. We're going to clip it onto the side of these struts for the time being with some cable ties. But we're now going to put this next length of tray up. And that always happens. Text message. Let's see who that is. Da, 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 da. Oh, taking the dogs out. Put the phone back over it with the other one. So yeah, let's get the bit of tray up now, and then we'll get it joined. It's back, isn't it? All about somebody else's nightmare job. Oh, there we are. We burst something. That can go back into there. Pour more HVAC. There we are. So we've got that there. Have to make sure this bit's in line again. Sledgehammer. Goes up there. 102. I tell you what, I might lose my temper in a minute. Hi. Sorry, I can't. Apologies, I can't pronounce your name. Hi. Smasher boy. Hi, mate. How are you? I don't know if I can. If you can talk on it. No. Oh, that's the wrong thing to press. I don't think you guys can talk, can you, on it? Chat thoughts, what messages? Oh, that's it. Start a Q&A. Who wants a Q&A? Ask me a question. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Ask me a question in the middle now. That better, right? So we're just going to angle you up and we'll get a couple of joiners to go on here. So joiners were sent from our friendly company, AT&T. Oh, there's our joiners. So they clip over the cable tray, both sides. They go bolts from the bottom and they go bolts from the sides. And we're going to bolt them in using 6mm nuts and bolts. Washers, so these are M6 washers. So we've got our M6 washers, we've got our M6 bolts that are 20mm long, and we've got some M6 nuts. So let's get up here. Hello TikTok. What do you think? Just follow me. There we are. That's better. So clamp the first one on in the centre. Clamp the second one on. We've got our bolt goes through. Got our 6mm washer on. And we do it up with our 6mm nut. Pixel bolt. So I'm going to put 3 on each one. So I'm going to put 2 underneath and 1 on the side. Then we put the 6mm M6 bolt through the hole. Then we get our 6mm washer, M6 washer, throw it through there. Bolt that up. We have to drill it inside. We're going to use our punch for that. Who's watching? No one's watching. Okay, fucking thing this is. You got me? Oh, there we are. Follow me now. Yeah. We've got 2 bolts this side, and we've got 2 bolts that side. That goes through there, that goes through there. There's one. Let's slide the next one through. There we are. So bolt on the other side now. So these are all the joiners and that we're putting on. So when you're doing this sort of stuff, you use a hell of a lot of nuts and bolts. For each joiner, we're using 6 M6 nuts. We're using 6 M6 bolts. And then we're using 6 M6 washers. So those are our washers. They're M6. And we're using our 20mm M6 bolts. Just move this thing around a little bit more because it's dead on. So there's that. And those are our M6 bolts. So we're going to go back up here. So you can't see that properly. I'll just move you around a bit. Let's see. So I'm going up here. So this is our bracket. We'll snap that on like that. There's our first fixing hole. There's our second fixing hole. So we'll put those nuts and bolts on first. Yeah, we're not doing anything with this HVAC before you ask. If everybody asks, which literally hooks it up here, so it's out of the way. So you put our nut through there, put our washer on the outside, put our first bolt on. So do that up a bit, and then we'll get the screwdriver in there, and we've got them all in. And at the end, when we've got all the tray work done, now that's a while, I'm going to fly around with our grinder with a new blade in it and cut all these like stubs off, so it makes it a bit neater. Yeah, so we can drop that in there, that in there, that in there. That's the where these two bolts are really close together. That's the centre of the join. Oh, there we are. Yeah, put this on the edge of the join to make our join as rigid as possible. So this isn't my first hoisting tray. I prefer the ones with a got a join that you just put in and it just clips over two of these. But this is Legrand tray. Obviously they don't do the clips, it's all nut and bolts. So it's more labour intensive, so just bear that in mind if you're using Legrand. The building site across the road is very quiet. Oh, that's why it's 10:30. But when you hear some noise in about 10, 15 minutes time, the diggers will be back out. So I don't know what they're doing actually there. It's a petrol station. Now we'll get our screwdriver in there. Here's that one. Oh, let me see here. Yeah, so it's done. So that is our join is put in there. Like I said, I'll go around with a grinder later on and cut all them off. Is that it? Did we have any more questions? Don't forget to give us a follow. I'll be back soon. I'm going to get in, move all this workbench, adjust the rest of the tray, and I'll bring you back if you want.